Hi guys, let us see second half of this January. Your twin flames message to you and what are the actions they are going to take. Okay, so let us see what is your twin flames message to you. So let us see what is your twin flames message to you. What are the twin flames? What are your twin flames messages to you? So let us see what are your twin flames messages to you. So let us see what are your twin flames messages to you. So let us see what are your twin flames messages to you. Wow! Two of Cups. They know this is twin flame connection. Three of Cups. Seven of Pentacles. Oh, two cards. Wheel of Fortune. Whole universe is working for you guys. Two of Pentacles. Good. All the cards are good. I feel happy about the cards. Yeah. Let us see what are the actions your twin flame is going to take towards you. What are the actions your twin flame is going to take to march forwards towards you? What are the actions your twin flame is going to take to march forward towards you? Seven of Swords, Eight of Cups. What are the actions your twin flame is going to take to march forward towards you? What are the actions your twin flame is going to take to march forwards towards you? Page of Cups, Hermit. What are the actions your twin flame is going to take to march forwards towards you? Three of Pentacles. These are the steps your twin flame is going to take to march forwards towards you. Okay, let us see each card by card. First card is Two of Cups. Two of Cups is like, yeah, first card is Two of Cups. Two of Cups is like obviously like twin flames. So this is all the messages from your twin flame, upper row. So he's conveying you that some or the other format. He knows that you both are twin flames. You both are meant for each other. You are the ultimate one for him. Okay. See, for an example, what I will tell is my person does not know about twin flame concept at all. Okay. And he does not know about all this spirituality that's what he always tells. But seeing deep within, he's an Islamic person, and he tells in Quran itself, it is written, it seems like when God created itself, God created souls as pairs only. So like that, in that way he knows. So he is the masculine polarity, so his pair feminine polarity is somewhere else, and he has attracted only that feminine polarity, and I am that feminine polarity, like that he believes. So it need not have to be very specific. The way how you believe only, your twin flame also have to believe the twin flame concept. Okay, something or the other, even though they don't know the title, even though they don't know the concept what you're talking about, somewhere deep within the heart they know you both are meant for each other, you are their ultimate one, and they know about this twin flame concept. Okay, next card is Three of Cups. Three of Cups is like happily enjoying with your friends, that this all that things, going for party. Even if it's not going to be party, he is with his whole family, he is with two more friends who are exactly to his vibration. Okay, same sex friends only. If he's a gen boy or a, like if you're twin flame, you are the masculine watching, and if she's the feminine, so other girlfriend she'll be having, like that. Okay, they are happily enjoying life, and they are like roaming together, partying together, and cooking together, eating together, going for night walks together, like that. They're very happy, they're emotionally content within themselves, as well as with their friends also, like that it is. So when you also are coming to know the person who's watching this video, you are also noticing them from afar, you are also able to sense that they're very happy without you itself. And they're not happy in a wrong way, they are happy in a very right way, and they're emotionally fulfilled, and it gives you a little bit of jealousy, but still they are very happy, and that is the message they are conveying you also. It need not have to be always I have to be with you to be happy, I'm happy by myself, that's what the message they are conveying. I'm happy with my friends, like that. Okay, so happiness is what I choose to be, it is not that something you can give me. Okay, that is the message conveyed in the second card. Next is Seven of Pentacles. So Seven of Pentacles is like, he is, how to tell, he has done the work. Okay, he's sowing the seeds, he has put the manure, and he is pouring the water, and on everyday basis he is having a watch and word about the seed which he sowed, and it is growing into a plant. And while growing also, he is watching the plant, it is growing in good health, all that thing, energy boosters, everything he is giving. So now on everyday basis what he does is, like, he for once twice for that, like 10 times, 100 times, he rechecks and confirms himself, have I done everything without missing anything, what I have to do. And after he confirming that to himself, yes, I have done everything without missing what I have to do, after confirming that, he leaves from that place. So Seven of Pentacles is a card which, he is telling to you that, with my whole heart and soul, my energy, time, and investment, everything I have put into whatever work I am doing, as well as inner work I am doing, it will give fruits, it will give its harvest only in the divine timing. So you don't keep waiting for me, and keep living your life. That is what the message is conveyed. Okay, then the next card is Wheel of Fortune. Wheel of Fortune means he is also telling you that, I have said my wish that I want to be with you only, not with anybody else. I want to live my life in togetherness with you. So I have said that to universe, I have made it a very strong decision, I claim my decision, and I have asked universe to deliver my decision to me. So universe is at work, so this whole universe is conspiring to give me whatever I have asked for. I have asked you, so definitely universe will give me. So I'm not in desperateness, but I'm in faith that universe will give me. So within that time, whole universe is conspiring to give whatever I deserve, whatever I have asked for. I'm making myself eligible enough to receive that. That is what your twin flame is conveying message to you. Okay, then Two of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles is like a card. A part of my inner work is balancing myself, balancing my professional work, balancing my personal time, and balancing my family time. So in that personal time, me time, I'm doing lots of inner work, and I am learning to balance all the sides of my life. I'm learning to balance the duality. So if order in order to balance the duality, I have to know about the duality. So now I'm gaining knowledge about duality. I know everything in detail about duality, and I'm learning to balance duality now. So from this I also realized that this duality has to come to oneness, but it's a stage by stage process. Now I am in the balancing state. That is what your person is conveying the messages to you. The next card, seven of swords. The first card is seven of swords, action he is taking towards you. Seven of swords is a self betrayal card. Okay, so actually this twin flame journey, even though he knows it's a twin flame connection, all that initial stages, what I feel is that runner chaser phase, all that will be there. Okay, that is what is seven of swords. So he's running away from you. He does not he's not able to um, handle this intense overwhelming feeling of twin flame connection, so he's running away from you, or he's not telling something to you. He's having it within himself. It is not something about cheating. No, 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 it's not about cheating at all. He does not want to share that with you at this stage and make you also suffer. So he's hiding it within himself, and he's going through it by all alone by himself, and he feels he can resolve that and come out of that and become still more stronger. And in between all these things, this twin flame connection, that energy flow is also very overwhelming and intense to him. So he's not able to handle all the things together. So for as of now, he is quitting and he is running away from this connection. That is what is eight of swords. Next card is eight, sorry, this is seven of swords, this is eight of cups. Eight of cups is like walking away from the energy which does not serve the highest good. Okay, so as of now, he feels that if he is involved, that is why he is running away also. Now, if he is involved, if he is going to keep on doing this is going to affect you also. So he does not want you to get affected. So he is walking away from this connection. This is not out of frustration. This is out of fear. He is walking away. Okay, and he knows this he is getting affected, and because of that, if it is going to affect you, it is not serving the highest purpose. So in order to avoid that, in order to cut that not happening to you, he is walking away from this connection. This is very temporary, temporary step he is taking. This is not permanent, but as of now, for now, he's taking these two steps only. After that, what he is doing is page of cups. Page of cups is a person who realizes from his own mistakes, from his own life journey, that if I do mistake, I suffer this much. So if somebody is hurt because of me, they will also suffer this much now. So I should not suffer like that. He has realized, and instead of feeling guilty, this page of cups will go for self correction mode. So to whom he has hurt, okay, to whom he has given hurt, he comes to that person with an apology. And page of cups is a very very romantic person. He comes with a new proposal also. Okay, so when the time is right, when it is divine timing, when the time is right, he will come back to you with an apology, with an explanation why he did that, and he will come to you with a love proposal also. So you be ready with the mindset, without being in anger and all, to listen to whatever he is telling. Okay, so next step what he'll do is hermit card. This hermit card is like he always sitting by himself and thinking, so what have I done? So that reflection, introspection and self reflection. Okay, and he's taking his me time completely to do one inner work. Whatever he does, whatever life journey he's going through, he's taking that me time to do the inner work. Okay, so I have to balance between professional work, my personal work, and my family work. So now he has learned to balance. and he, in his personal time, he is doing meditation, he is doing introspection on everyday basis. He is sitting with himself, he is talking to his higher self, he is cultivating that self talk. In that self talk, okay, in that meditation, he is communicating with the spiritual twin only, because that higher self is his spiritual twin now. So he is all the time now, he has learned to live within his heart space with his dream girl. So that is why his inner work is working very fast. Okay, this is hermit card. The next card is three of pentacles. Three of pentacles is like alignment. Okay, so now he has aligned himself, like not to betray or not to run away from the connection, not to be scared, and you have to stand strong, tall and strong for your own wishes, like that he has realized. So now he has resolved all the thought conflicts, he has broken from the clutches of social conditioning, he came out, he wants to live his wish. So his dreams, desires, everything are from his mind. Okay, and now he realized self love is born. So his brain realized that I have to make all the dreams come true of my mind, and for that my higher self is teaching me. I listen to my higher self, and what guidance my higher self is giving, I'll take steps according to my higher self's guidance and make my mind's dreams come true. So this is alignment, self alignment. So mind, brain, and higher self, all three are aligned together, and this deep desires are from the divine self. So for the deep desires only, now we are taking all this action. So the deep desire, higher self's guidance, mind's wishes, and brain's actions, all these are four are aligned in the same lane. That is what is self alignment. That is what is happening, step he is taking through inner guidance, through meditation, all those things. Okay, so this is self alignment to march forward towards twin flame union. So this is what is today's this January month's second half's, what are your twin flames messages to you, and what are the actions he is taking. So let us meet in next month first half, February first half twin flames messages. Until then, bye.